Meanwhile.
It's so good.
My brother just came in my room and asked me. He asked me if he can take my flag and wave it around outside. I don't get the point. My dad's raging. If anyone's wondering, this is the Latvian flag. Okay, so this is the bird we rescued, and we're trying to teach it to fly. I don't know if it's the best thing to do, and it also bites if you put finger to like close to its mouth. Watch. No. Well, now it's obviously not gonna do it. Alright, it's all fine. This is the size comparison. That's my hand now, that's... So my dad just found out about the bird, that we had it, and my brother told him that we found it in the bushes, just like in front of our house. And now he told him to put it back where he found it. So he put it back and then we'll get it in a minute. Meanwhile, I think I'm gonna go on the trampoline. Look. Okay, I'm gonna go and what are those?
Those are my sandals.
Let me read this.
Size comparison. Bird, little brother. He's trying to get it on his finger. Oh yeah, we got it. It's on his finger now. Whoa! He just pooped. And my little brother wants to give it back because he pooped. Did it poop on your finger? Show us your finger. No? Just bullying my little brother. It's not the best thing to do. I think we're going to go on the trampoline. I haven't done my hair today and it's all floppy shizzle. So yeah. This is our crib. We already have a problem. The little birdie just flew up on the roof. Come back. Yeah, here, my brother is coming to rescue. You're not gonna get it. Okay, let me try. Hold the camera. No, no. Woohoo! Film it, I got it. Ooh. Open the door. Oh no! No! I just let the bird go and it flew up again. No! Okay, rescue number 2. What? Alright, come and get it. I'm getting bored of rescuing the bird now. It's been like 4 times. And my dad doesn't even like it. He hates birds. Hates them. What are you gonna do? Okay, this is a triple front flip times 2. My little brother's doing it. Let's go. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I had to jump him because he can't jump by himself. Okay, my turn. 3 times the backflip.
It's so good.
So good.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, I'm dizzy. You go. Just in a little bird. I'm going on the top. What we were trying to show you is that the little bird speaks, like, responds to the phone which has been recorded. I guess that's pretty fun. I guess that could make the video. My brother just mentioned that my dad's starting to like the bird. Yes. This is a Q&A with Junior, Johnny Jr., Darvis and me. So the first question is, what kind of bird is that? No idea at all. We have no clue. Second question is, how old is this bird? No idea either. It can fly almost, so yeah. But it's
About 4 months.
I wouldn't say so. 4 months it would be a big bird. It's got baby feathers still on it, so it must be a little one still. Yeah, it's my bro's birthday today, so happy birthday to him. Putting it in a vlog. How are you so popular on YouTube? Alright, this is what I'm going to show you, and YouTube just sent me this for 70 subscribers. I hit 70 subscribers, so I just got this. Boom! I think you can see it. So YouTube just sent me this, and it's beautifully drawn, as you can see, by some YouTube creators. Alright, I'm just kidding. YouTube didn't send me that, my friend drew it for me as a present for my name day. Okay, we're gonna head to our nan's house right now. She's hosting the party for today, so that's where we're going, and yeah, let's go. We're going in the car, taking the little bird with us as well, because it's gonna be a better place for it there than anywhere else, right?
Yep.
And I'm in the front. Shotgun in the front. Yeah. Bye. We had to come back to the house because my dad obviously forgot something, and this time it was some money. He had like €5 in his pocket. So yeah. And they're just like caring for the bird. Well, my little brother can't care for it. He just like wants to let it fly. And yeah, it's going crazy because it needs some food. Show us the bird. And also, we've just made the fireplace for today. My brother's trimming the grass over there. I just trimmed this grass all over here, down there, and down there. And yeah, this is where the fireplace is going to be. And I also broke the tripod a little bit. I don't know how long it's going to hold, but I think I'm going to have to order a new one. There was a mattress here. I have no idea where it went, and I did front flips on it because it's really fun doing front flips on it. Let's see if it's in here. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It's like a terrible mattress, but it's an old one and no one needs it, so I can use it as a mat to land in like front flips and whatever. We're taking from this tree some leaves and sticking it on the front and around the car. It looks like this. It's for today, only for today, and then they're all coming off again. You have to it's like a Christmas tree, decorate the car, but instead it's a Christmas tree. And we basically parked on the road where all the cars go by.